In this video, you will learn how to short a long URL and earn revenue from it. These are the headlines that are going to cover in this video step by step. Stay with the video, do not miss anything. The first step. Introduction and registration. This is the highest paying Shorten link network and trusted company. You will get many benefits with this network. I will provide the link to the site. Please check the description and click the link that you will in the homepage. Click the Join tab in the upper right side. You will see a simple form with 3 fields that you need to fill: email address, confirm email and password. Accept terms and conditions and click the register button, that's the orange one. And that's it. The second step. Account activation and login. After registration you will receive an activation email with an activation link. Now check your inbox and click the orange button. Your account is activated, then click login button in the upper right corner and fill your email and password. The third step. Dashboard and Shorten links. In the dashboard, you can see previous statistics of your links and earnings. You can see the link Shortener at the upper end of the website. Simply copy your long URL and click Shorten that you can get the Shorten link. You can share this link anywhere in the social networks or your site. You will get highest payout rate from this site. The fourth step. Full page script. This is useful if you have a website. The full page script will transform all your website links into the short.st form. Copy the code and paste it to the body section of your HTML code. You can include or exclude the domains that you want to shorten. You can earn from each of them. The fifth step. How to withdraw earnings. You can receive payments via PayPal, Payoneer or WebMoney. All payments are automatically sent on the 10th of every month. Minimum payout limit is depending on your payment method and it is low as $5. The sixth step. The Referral Program. Sharing your short links is not the only way to earn money with short.st. You can also invite new users. For each invited user you will receive 20% of their earnings. Go to the Referrals tab, share your referral link with one click. You can check the description to find the link for the registration. Support me, share the video, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.